You mean like we're going down into the earth?
Oh man,
This is awesome. I got a boogie to it. 100. Oh gosh. 100.
Save me. I gotta go do it. I gotta
Listen.
I'm going under the earth.
I love you and you are my child, but I'm out, dude.
I was
You're
very
on your own.
scared. I'm very scared.
300.
I'm so scared.
Wait, so what does this mean?
I assume it means feet.
So scared. I'm so
Why?
I'm so scared.
Oh, why? Oh, I like this
so
place.
scared.
Stop.
Why?
Just why? Why did it have to happen?
It's
It's
shit.
56
A
Fahrenheit.
family of 6 died. For no apparent reason.
For new. We're almost there. Let's just.
700. Dude, like, it's all the way up there.
Make you.
All right, so we are currently 750 feet down inside the earth, and we're in Carlsbad Caverns, Carlsbad, New Mexico, and it's super awesome. You take a big elevator down into the caverns, and then you get to explore the caverns. But Mommy is freaked out, and it is awesome. She's totally claustrophobic, and we are almost 1,000 feet down a hole in the earth.
No, they've made like a restaurant over there, and they've made
Your
up
ears.
750 feet under the ground. So there's restaurants, and everyone's whispering.
You're
So
supposed to be quiet.
They have these little helmets that you can go explore. So it's crazy.
It's awesome.
Me and the boys were just talking about I would live there in that little hole over there.
I don't know, how cool is that, huh? All right, let's find Mom.